Hello and welcome to the Eclectic Kitchen. Today we're making dark chicken stock, rich, flavor-packed and the perfect base for soups, stews, sauces and more. I'll also show you how to make concentrated stock cubes, great for when you just need a splash of extra flavor. Let's begin. I'm using 3 pounds of chicken backs I picked up dirt cheap at the store. Just toss them onto a baking tray. Clean and slice a large onion in half, but leave the skin on, it adds a lovely golden color to the stock. Add it to the tray, drizzle everything with oil and toss to coat evenly. Roast in a 200 Celsius oven for about 40 minutes or until everything is beautifully golden and caramelized. Once roasted, transfer everything to your stock pot. That roasted onion brings a subtle sweetness I really enjoy, but if you prefer, you can skip it or use it raw instead. I'm using a pressure cooker as it saves me around an hour and a half and it extracts maximum flavor. You'll probably see a good amount of fat and fond left of the tray, but don't toss it. Like they say, fat equals flavor. All those golden bits left on the tray are packed with roasty flavor. Deglaze the tray with boiling water and scrape it clean with a fork or bench scraper. Not only does this help extract the flavor, but also makes later cleaning easier. So it's a win-win. Pour all of that goodness into the pot. Now roughly chop 2 large carrots and crush 2 garlic cloves to release their flavor. Add them to the pot along with a teaspoon of whole peppercorns. I'll also be using a bushel of parsley and some thyme. Add them after cooking since the high heat of the pressure cooker can destroy all of those fresh delicate flavors. Now fill the pot with water, about double the weight of your meat, enough to fully cover everything but not so much that it dilutes the flavor. Seal the pot and bring it up to pressure. Once the valve locks and it's fully pressurized, reduce the heat to low and cook for 45 minutes. Then turn off the heat and let the pressure release naturally. Be mindful of leftover steam as you open the pot and add the parsley and thyme. The residual heat will gently infuse the flavors into the broth. Close and let sit until cold enough to strain. When the stock has cooled down, strain out the solids. For a clearer stock, strain again through a fine sieve or cheesecloth. The stock should be deep, golden and it will smell so chickeny. Now for storage. You can pour it into a big jar and keep it in the fridge for about 5 days. Consider adding salt to extend the shelf life, but remember to adjust salt when adding to other dishes. Portion into freezer bags and freeze for up to 3 months. You can also reduce the stock by half and freeze it in an ice cube tray. These little cubes are perfect for sauces or any dish that just needs a splash of stock. Just toss in 2 or 3 cubes and you're good to go. And that's it, homemade dark chicken stock. Rich, hearty and an essential kitchen ingredient. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time in the Eclectic Kitchen.